Hello learners, we are now on the other side of our discussion in mathematics that falls into trigonometry subject in terms of angles and their measures. So this discussion is another set of lesson that I have shared with you previously, the additional lesson that I have to share with you now. So because I have been discussing with you the previous still the same, that in terms of angles and their measures. So hope you enjoy this one. Okay, if we're going to understand further about the angles, so we have here two given rays. So we have here ray AB and ray AC. Then we have side AC and side AB with a given vertex that we have, which is A. So we can name this angle now as angle A, because we can when the ray, the intersecting point of a ray of two rays is what you call the vertex, and then it can form an angle. So we now name the angle A or angle CAB or angle BAC in terms of three set of given angle. If we're going to name that, we're just recalling about the angles and its measurement. So if we're going to name the angles, okay, as you can see there, how many angles that we can form? Okay, we can form an angles. Okay, the first one is angle PQS with a vertex Q or SPQ, then SQR or RQS, and the other one is PQR or angle RQP. You cannot write a single angle which is represented by angle Q, because when we talk about angle Q, it is just the same in the number 3, the whole part of this. Then if we just be able to identify if we wanted to identify this one as our angle, then we cannot name this one as angle Q. That is how we careful about in dealing with the single manner of angle. Whereas just previously we don't have any complicated rays there formed from the given. So adjacent angles. So when we talk about adjacent angles, is the PQS, angle PQS and SQR are just adjacent angle, are adjacent to each other. So the interior angle versus the exterior one. So the interior is inside the angle while the exterior is outside the angle. So point D is in the interior angle of angle A. Point E is the exterior angle of the angle E of angle A. And then we can use the protractor to find the measure of the angle. So as you know it, this is angle BEC has a measure of 50 degrees, because from here to that part is 50. So we have here 50 degrees. That is how we name the certain angle, or just we say the measure of angle BEC. So the measurement of angles in degree form is equal to 50. So angle addition postulate. When we talk about angle addition postulate, is that we're going to add two given angles. So in such a way that in this given figure, this is angle RSP, and we have P angle PST. So if we're going to have the measure of angle RSP added to the measure of angle PST is the same as the angle measure of RST, the whole part, this one here. Okay, name the angles in the figure. So how do we name? The first one is angle CDE or EDC. We have also EDF or FDE. If FDE or another one is CDF or FDC. Still the same. So in the figure above, the measure of angle CDE is 62 degrees, and the measure of EDF, this is CDE, is 62 degrees, and the EDF is 18. What is the measure of CDF? As far as we know that the CDF, the measure of angle CDF is the sum of the measure of angle CDE and EDF. So we're going to add them. So 62 plus 18 for us to get the value of CDF. So we have here 80 degrees. Okay. So the measure now of angle CDF is equal to 80 degrees. So congruent angles. When we talk about congruent angles, are given the angle A and angle B, they are congruent if provided that the angles are if both measurement of angle A and angle B are the same. So in such a way that angle A is congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle B, or just equivalently, the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle B. So we are going to identify further that the two angles are said to be congruent if and only if they have the same. So we are now going to classify such different angles. So when we talk about acute angle, so the angle measurement of this is given angle A. So the angle A is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So that is acute angle. Right angle is equivalent to, the angle A is equivalent to 90 degrees. The obtuse angle is we have between the measurement of angle A is between 90 to 180 and 180 degrees. Then the straight angle is equivalent to 180 degrees. Okay, so we have here different figures, as you can see. So if we're going to identify further, so this is not an L shape, but below part of this, so this is now acute angle. Angle BAC is an acute. Angle DEF rather is obtuse angle. Angle LMN is also obtuse angle. Angle RST is a right angle. Angle DEF is an acute angle.